Welcome to Moto_Rezus, where one split second changes everything. Drop a like, subscribe, and let's dive into today's breakdowns. Crashing onto the pavement, the motorcycle showers the highway with sparks, while the rider slides across the lanes into the darkness. Coming to a stop, the rider spots a downed sport bike wedged right in front of a red Mercedes G-Class. The downed rider quickly gets back on his feet to assess the damage. Losing grip mid-corner, the motorcycle washes out, sending the rider sliding directly into the roadside guardrail while the bike tumbles nearby.
Hold on, bike. Hold on, I got
the bike.
I got music playing, okay?
Get off the bike.
I got you.
Get off now.
I got music playing.
Holding the rider firmly, the officer insists on immediate compliance, while the biker tries to explain his side before pointing at the parked cruiser. Always follow officer instructions during traffic stops.
Bro. What the fuck?
Scrambling off the pavement,
stop.
the rider lifts his motorcycle, fires up the engine, and immediately gives chase through the neighborhood streets. Leaning deep into sharp mountain curves leaves zero room for error. Watch how a sudden front-end slide drops this sport bike mid-turn. Failing to hold the line, the bike plows through the road shoulder and crashes into dense bushes. Fortunately, the rider confirms he's okay despite the heavy tumble into the foliage.
Popping like them pop rocks. Going like some pop rocks.
Twisting the throttle to the limit, both sport bikes disappear down the open road, leaving the police car behind. Evading traffic stops carries severe risks. Cornering on winding forest roads requires precision steering. Watch how misjudging this entry speed leads to a sudden off-road wipeout.
Нормально, я в порядке.
Standing the bike back on its wheels, he assesses the damage. While the frame slider protected the bodywork, the foot brake pedal snapped clean off upon impact. Stepping to the shoulder, the rider signals traffic to slow down as others rush over to confirm no one is critically injured. Safety gear is a true lifesaver on high-speed runs.
Listen, fuck nut. I've been on a motorcycle.
Filtering through slow-moving city traffic doesn't always go smoothly. Watch as a simple lane split triggers an angry road rage outburst. Reaching his passenger, he checks on his friend, who sustained a minor facial injury during the fall. Bystanders quickly step in to assist. Always maintain a safe stopping distance. Who was at fault here? Drop a comment.
I did it.
Overcome with emotion, the rider covers her face while sitting on her parked bike. Seeing her distress, a friendly passerby immediately steps in to check if she's okay and calm her down. Losing balance at high speed, the rider tumbles onto the concrete, sending the bike sliding across the lane. Nearby riders quickly swerve to avoid the wreckage. Riding a high-speed wheelie past a police checkpoint turns aggressive in seconds. Watch how this rider reacts when officers wave him down. Escorting the truck into a nearby wash bay, the rider grabs a hose and douses the flames around the axle. Quick thinking averted a major disaster. Heroic moves on the road save lives. How would you react in this situation? Drop a comment below.
Good. What the fuck are they doing?
Cutting the corner, the sedan slams head-on into the motorcycle, sending the rider tumbling into the grassy shoulder. Pushed under the bike, the rider calls for help before crawling out to assess the situation. Slipping on the wet road markings, the bike tumbles onto its side. Getting straight back on his feet, the rider acts quickly to lift the motorcycle off the crosswalk. Sliding dozens of feet across the asphalt, the rider comes to a rest and immediately checks his protective gear for damage.
Do you need any help? Does she need help with her bike? I'm gonna see if she needs any help with her bike. Do you need any help?
Yeah, my chain came off.
Ah, wait one sec, let me see if I can help you.
With the bicycle ready to ride again, she gets back on her motorcycle, proving that small acts of kindness go a long way.
You can just get around. There you go. And then what you want to do... There you go. There you go. It's okay. See, we'd be nice. We'd be helpful. Good deed done for the day.
Cornering on wet, rain-soaked asphalt demands extreme caution. Watch how a sudden loss of traction drops this motorcycle mid-turn. Casually waving at the officer, the rider twists the throttle and rockets away, leaving the police unit in his dust. High-speed highway taunts carry extreme legal risks. What's your take on this encounter? Sliding to a halt, the rider is instantly greeted by helpful bystanders and drivers rushing to lift her up. Always watch for wet asphalt patches in town. What caused the loss of grip here?